Now we turn to attorneys in the Arizona Fake Electors case are set to be back in court this morning. It's going to be day 3 of testimony. About a dozen of the 18 people charged are asking a judge to dismiss those charges.
Yeah, so many eyeballs on what's happening here in Arizona. Now, attorneys did blast Attorney General Chris May, saying her investigation is all about political vengeance. Let's get you over to 12 News journalist Justin Pizzera, live outside of the courthouse this morning. And Justin, we're hearing court's going to start in just a few hours.
Yeah, good morning, Allison. You know, yesterday a judge heard from attorneys representing these so-called fake electors. These are the folks who prosecutors say did try to throw out these election results in the state, basically saying Donald Trump won instead of Joe Biden. So I do want to show you some video from yesterday. Let's get some background as well on why these attorneys are, these so-called electors are so mad at the Attorney General. So Mays launched an investigation into this whole fake elector scheme after she took office back in 2023, only after her predecessor declined to look into these allegations that people did try to overthrow the election results. It was a very long investigation, but this year Mays announced 18 people would be indicted for their alleged involvement in throwing out these election results here in the state. The defendants say Mays used those charges to silence them. They also say she campaigned on charging them if she were to get into office. This is something prosecutors say isn't true.
I want to remind everyone that this case was indicted after a lengthy multi-month grand jury presentation by members of the defendant's peers from across the state. That grand jury was independent and made its own decision to indict this case. Thank you.
So today, prosecutors will get their chance to talk to the court. Also, Chris Mays is expected to talk with reporters after this hearing today. Now, as for the decision, the judge is not expected to make a decision today. That's going to happen at some time later. As for the trial, that isn't expected until 2026. We're live in downtown Phoenix this morning. Justin Pizzera, 12 News Today in AZ.